Are you ready to look effortlessly chic at any age? Whether you're a Gen X mom like me, a woman over 40, a woman over 50, or a woman over 60. Today I am giving you a step-by-step plan of action to create smart casual outfits. No guesswork required. You will always feel confident, comfortable, and put together no matter the occasion. And the best part is that you are going to do this from outfits in your very own closet. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will have a solid plan of action of how to shop your own closet for how to create smart casual outfits for Spring Fashion 2025. So let's get started. At Midlife Posh Closet, our motto is shop your closet first, then supplement your wardrobe when needed. There is never any pressure here to shop. But if you feel like you need to supplement your wardrobe with any of the outfits or any of the items that I'm showing today, there are several different ways to shop. If you're watching on your TV screen, and my analytics show me that most of you are, in fact, the overwhelming majority of you are watching on your TV screen, there'll be a little shopping basket icon right here on your screen, and you can use your remote control to click on that. Many of the items, not all of them, you will be able to shop right here. It'll pop up over here on your screen, and you'll be able to shop most of them. But all of the items I'm showing you today, you will be able to shop on the Shop LTK app. And on that app, I leave detailed product information. I give you my sizing information, and you can hit that little heart icon on each of the individual products and get a notification when those items go on sale. That is my favorite part, because who does not love saving money? So the Shop LTK app is my favorite way to shop because it does save me money, and I am able to give you detailed information, product reviews, sizing information, and sale alerts. But what exactly is smart casual? Smart casual is a versatile dress code that strikes a balance between polished sophistication and relaxed comfort. It blends classic wardrobe staples like a tailored blazer or structured trousers or even a Chanel style lady coat with more casual pieces like jeans or a denim jacket. I have always thought of smart casual as being jeans and a blazer. That was like the simplest form that I thought of smart casual. But Vogue magazine online did an article recently and said to think of smart casual as one elevated piece with one casual piece. And I thought that was brilliant. So that's sort of how we're going to think of smart casual today. But the overall goal of smart casual is to look neat, stylish, and polished without looking stiff or overly formal. So here's an easy formula to think of smart casual. Let's go back to that Vogue formula. One elevated piece plus one casual piece. So let's talk about some different ways we can think of that. So the easiest way to think of that is blazer plus jeans. But it could also be sheath dress, which we all probably have in our closet, plus denim jacket. The example that Vogue magazine gave, and I can't show you this for copyright reasons, but it was Jennifer Lopez wearing a beautiful pair of trousers, not quite wide leg, but definitely structured trousers. And that was the focal point and the elevated piece with just a regular blouse. And she looked fabulous, but that was the example that Vogue magazine gave. This formula of one elevated piece plus one casual piece works for all body types and all ages. So you don't have to worry about, does this work for my age? Does this work for my body type? It works for all ages, all body types. So how does one go about creating smart casual outfits? Today I am going to give you a step-by-step plan of action of how to create smart casual outfits from items in your own closet, things you already own, no need to buy anything new. No guesswork required. As Benjamin Franklin famously said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." So today I'm going to involve you, and that way you will learn how to create smart casual outfits on your own. So here is that step-by-step plan of action. Step 1, for learning's sake, we are going to start with a completely elevated outfit. Step 2, we are going to remove one elevated piece from that outfit. Step 3, we are going to replace that elevated piece with one casual piece. Step 4, the result will be a smart casual outfit. And then you may have to adjust the outfit with maybe another casual piece for the final result. But that is your 4-step plan of action to create a smart casual outfit. And then you'll repeat this process until you get the hang of creating smart casual outfits. And you won't always have to start with a completely elevated outfit. But think of it as dressing down the outfit until you get to that smart casual, not completely casual, but not completely. So elevated's up here, completely elevated up here, completely casual down here. You're going to be somewhere in the middle. So you won't always need to start with that completely elevated outfit. You'll get to a point where you learn how to be somewhere in the middle, not completely casual, not completely elevated, but somewhere here in the middle. As always, play dress up in your own closet, just like you did when you were a little girl playing dress up in your mother's closet. All right, let's take a quick community break. Here at Midlife Posh Closet, we are building a global community of midlife women. And I love seeing how you interact with each other in the comments. Today's community building question is, tell me your favorite spring holiday. We have a lot of spring holidays if you think about it. St. Patrick's Day, Passover, Palm Sunday, Easter, Cinco de Mayo, Derby Day, Masters Sunday. It's birthday. We have a lot of spring birthdays I've gathered from the comments. What else? Mother's Day. So let me know what your favorite spring holiday is. And while you're commenting that, if you find the shop your closet information that you're learning here helpful, then hit the subscribe button over here, the like button here, and the bell over here so that you get notified when I post new videos. I am trying to post 3 shop your closet videos a week. My day job is not, the past 2 weeks has not let that happen, but my goal is to get back to posting 3 shop your closet videos a week. I send out an email notification every time I post a new video. And then on Saturdays, I send out a newsletter. I send out the sales, steals, and deals of the week to save you money. And then I also send out a healthy recipe and a weight loss tip because I have lost 27 pounds to date. And I share with you the recipes and tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. And it's completely free. All you have to do is sign up for my newsletter. That's it. It's free. There's no catch, nothing. You just have to sign up for it. So I'll post a QR code. The QR code's moved over here because I've learned that the products pop up over here. So I had to move the QR code over here. So you can use that QR code to sign up. There's also a link in the comments and in the description. And while I'm on that note, I also post the links to the products in the top of the comments as well. I forgot to mention that earlier. And since we're talking about the products in the comments, if you see an outfit that you really love and it's your favorite outfit, let me know that in the comments as well. I like hearing that too. So, all right, let's see how this 4-step plan of action works. Let's see it in action and how it really works. Let's see those outfits now. This is our first elevated outfit, step 1. This is a great brunch outfit, or if this spring you have any dance recitals or music recitals on the schedule for kids or grandkids, this is a good outfit. So now for step 2, we are going to switch out the wide leg crop pants. So we've switched out the wide leg crop pants for just a pair of white jeans. So we have the same basic look, but it's just a little more casual. And these are slim, straight leg white jeans. Just a little bit of a wedge heel for lift, and the gold color adds a little bit of detail to the outfit. And everything's the same. So step 2, we switched out the jeans. Step 3 is we've added some accessories, and step 4 is our final smart casual outfit. And you could also wear this to the dance recital or music recital, depending on the level of formality of that occasion. This is also a good drinks with friends outfit if you are sitting outside. Always a good lunch with girls outfit. This is our next step 1 outfit, a cashmere t-shirt with structured trousers and pumps. So monochromatic beige head to toe, a very elegant and chic look. This is a nice office outfit. What do you think we're going to switch out? We're just going to switch out the shoes here. This is stretching my concept of what is smart casual. So we're just switching out the shoes, pumps for espadrilles. And then we're going to add a denim jacket. So my traditional belief of smart casual is blazer and jeans, but instead we're adding a denim jacket, a new designer tote. This is my new baby. And look at this outfit, still chic and polished without being overly formal or stiff. So instead of that traditional blazer and jeans, we've taken an office outfit, switched out the shoes, added a denim jacket, and we have a very smart and chic outfit. This is great for drinks after work, brewery. Certainly if you're sitting outside in the beer garden, this is a great outfit. Here is our next step 1 outfit, a lovely outfit for spring, short sleeve lady coat in pale pink. It says they're straight leg pants is how they're advertised. I need to show you something. This is a very cropped jacket, so either wear a tank underneath. I'm wearing a petite small, so if you're petite, you might want to think about going up to a regular size instead of a petite size. I just put a tank underneath it, but in hindsight, I might have wanted to order a regular size. So what do you think we're going to swap out here? The pink pants. We're going to let the lady coat be the focal point of the outfit. And here I have that tank. So I went with wide leg jeans here and just a little bit of a wedge heel for lift. I tried straight leg jeans for this outfit and the jeans did not look polished enough. Wide leg jeans look very polished, very chic. And in general, they do look better for smart casual outfits. So keep that in mind. And I added this baby pink. This is more of a bubblegum pink, tulip pink, I think is a better description. Handbag for just a sprinkle of color to the outfit for springtime. But in general, when I was styling these outfits, I did find that wide leg trousers were better for wide leg jeans were better for smart casual outfits. This is a nice lunch outfit, casual dinner outfit. Our step 1 outfit is the lawyer uniform, the black sheath dress, black heels, black laptop tote. The only thing missing is the black blazer. So obviously the black sheath dress is going to be the focal point of the outfit here. And again, we're going to stretch my understanding of what constitutes smart casual, going by that Vogue magazine formula. So we're going to switch out the shoes and the laptop bag. I've chosen cognac slide sandals to add a bit of contrasting color here. Then we're going to add a denim jacket. This is a traditional denim jacket, loose fitting, not slim, a bit of a medium wash. And then a raffia tote that has that same cognac handles because the texture adds interest to the outfit. And then we have a very nice smart casual outfit, great for lunch, afternoon cocktails, farmer's market. The sheath dress is the focal point of the outfit. Some sunglasses to make it look extra casual. I really love this look. What do you think? Our step 1 outfit here is monochromatic ballet pink from head to toe. You know the little ballerina in me cannot say no to ballerina pink. Lovely outfit for spring. This could certainly be worn to dance recitals, music recitals, any sort of spring special events on the calendar. What do you think we're going to swap out here and make the focal point of this outfit? Step 2, we're going to remove the pink pants. The lady coat will become the focal point of the outfit. Now here I chose a little bit deeper pink for the handbag to add some interest to the outfit. I went with slim straight leg jeans in step 2 and step 3. And again, I I wish I had gone with wide leg trousers or wide leg jeans here, but I did want to show you how straight leg jeans look with a smart casual outfit. I just think that wide leg jeans look more elevated. With smart casual, you don't want to be totally casual. You do want to be a little bit elevated on the casual spectrum. But I did like the lighter wash with this ballerina pink. All right, our step one outfit is this dolman sweater with pleated skirt. It is a form of beige, just like a peachy beige color, both of these. Really lovely together. So for step two, which do you think we're going to swap out? The pleated skirt. So step two, we're going to remove the pleated skirt. The dolman sweater will become the focal point of the outfit. And I did go with those wide leg jeans here. Gold cuff for accent and my new handbag. Oh, I'm so excited. So pretty. So here, just look how much more elevated these wide leg jeans look compared to the straight leg jeans in the previous outfit. The dolman sweater becomes the focal point of the outfit, although I would argue that the handbag for me is the focal point of the outfit, and that the gold jewelry adds the accent and interest here. And we have a very comfortable, it's a very low wedge heel, and I think these heels are sold out, so I'll try to find something similar. But this is a variety. You could go shopping in this, you could go to lunch, you could do banking, you know, if you had to go to the school for any reason, this is a great outfit for that. All right, you have a homework assignment. You always have a homework assignment here at BidLife Posh Closet because it goes back to what Benjamin Franklin said, involve me and I learn. And if I involve you in the fashion learning process, then you learn how to create these outfits on your own. So I want you to play dress up in your own closet and use this 4-step plan of action to create smart casual outfits from the items in your own closet. So get ready to take a screenshot if you are on your device, or if you are on your TV, use your phone to take a screenshot of the TV. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, screenshot. And I'm posting 3 Shop Your Closet videos a week to help you use what you already own in your closet without buying anything new. And if you do need to supplement your wardrobe, that's totally okay too. So here's another Shop Your Closet video to help you style what you already own. Until we meet again, my friends.